Hello, my name is Brittany Baldwin, and I am the Assistant Director of Fitness here at the Wellness and Recreation Center. Today, we're bringing you a brand new workout featuring sliders. These are a really great way to engage that core and work through a different range of motion and a different training modality than usual. If you don't have official sliders, you can use plates, you can use towels, or even an old t-shirt. So grab anything that gives you a little bit of glide on your floor, and let's get into today's workout. So for today's workout, we're gonna be featuring those gliders. We're gonna be doing 3 main exercises for 30 seconds each, a total of 5 rounds. We're gonna begin with those mountain climber sliders, then transition into plank jacks on the sliders, and finally we do a plate push. For that plate push, you're gonna wanna use either a towel or an old t-shirt, and I'm wrapping a 10-pound plate in that so that it can glide. If you don't have 10-pound weight available, using a bottle of detergent, canned goods, or even a backpack, you'll want to just wrap it up so that you can glide along the floor. For those mountain climbers featuring our gliders, you're going to want to have both feet on something slippery. Our main emphasis is going to be engaging that core and thinking about driving that knee into your belly button. So getting into that position, turning to the side so you can see, we're coming down on all fours. We got those hands about shoulder width apart. You lift into a perfect plank, engaging the shoulder blades of the core, and we go knee to belly button. Breathing. As you get more comfortable, you pick that speed up, staying nice and controlled. You'll want to do as many of those as you can in 30 seconds. Next exercise in that gliding circuit is going to be a plank jack. So again, we're going to get back in that same plank position that we were in for the mountain climbers, but this time we're driving those legs in and out, working both the inner and outer thighs as well as our abdominals. So as we get into that position, we're coming down, hands right up under those shoulder blades. You're in that perfect plank, you're going in and out. Slow and controlled. The slower you go, the more challenging it's going to be. Think about squeezing those thighs together as you come in. Give me as many of those as you can in 30 seconds. So for our final exercise in this gliding circuit, we're going to be doing a plate push. And remember, if you don't have a plate like I do, if you wrap up some old books, a laundry detergent bottle, canned goods, or even a backpack and a t-shirt or towel, that'll do just the same. So getting into that position, you'll want to come down. We got those hands on top of our weight. Bringing that body up, hips stay low. So again, the butt's not tightened up, you want to keep it down. We're pushing and driving with those quads. So that concludes our glider workout today. Again, you want to complete those 3 exercises for a total of 30 seconds each, 5 rounds all together, making sure to hydrate and take a break whenever you need it. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Brittany Baldwin. For more information and videos such as this, please check out our social media platforms.